Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marlita Hanna Plastidio, 40 years old, married. My husband name is Chubasco Plastidio, 41 years old. We have two children, one boy and one girl. My father's name is Apolinario Corona. My mother's name is Pasita Corona. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the first child of the family. I am Catholic. I live in Palapag, Northern Samar, Philippines. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I work as domestic helper here in Philippines for 4 years. I serve 5 members in the family, 2 adult, 2 children, and 1 elderly. I also work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 1 year and 11 months. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adult and 1 children. My duties are taking care of the children by preparing them nutritious food, assisting them to all their needs, and I also assist elderly for her daily needs. I do also cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening. To all prospective employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I follow your rules and regulation. Thank you and God bless.